In a cooker, put a few jeera and peppercorns. Once it crackles, put a nutmeg and bay leaf. Once the aroma comes, let's put in a few chopped paneer pieces. To this, let us add a few cashew nut and seeds and fry all together. To the mixie, let us add a few spices for grinding. Star anise, some 3 cloves, a pinch of cinnamon stick, garlic, ginger, a few green chillies and 1 big chopped onion. Let us add the grinded mixture to the cooker and fry until the raw smell goes. Soak and keep 1 cup Basmati rice for about half an hour. Add the soaked and washed rice to the cooker. With the required salt and Kasuri methi. For 1 cup rice, I have added 1.5 cup water. Now let's close the cooker and wait for about 3 whistles. Paneer Matar rice is now ready. Just sprinkle some coriander leaf and enjoy with curds and papads.